Alright, we got the Godspeed coilovers in for the Foxbody. Let's go ahead, let's get to it. Ooh. Mono RS. So we got, let's lay these out. Guessing those are for the rear, these for the front. We got the top hats right there. Like the way they came wrapped. Oh, we got the spindles, or the wrenches. The nuts. So what else we got? Cushion. Oh, these are for the solid axle. Take a look at these. Oh, those are nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and then take them all out. So here it is, guys. This is what comes with the kit for the Godspeed Mono SS. Right there. Got the springs for the rear. This is the hardware that comes with it. Goes with the 2 wrenches, washers. I'm thinking it's for these. And we got these that go on the axle. I'm thinking these go on the inside, but we'll see. And then we have 2 nuts. These 2 nuts go to the rear shocks. Yep. The way these comes in, you gotta take this off, screw this on, but this is, of course, after you install them in the car. Screw this on, and then you screw this on. See the little focus right there? See, it's a little like an Allen key. That goes. I don't know if you can see, goes in here, and then you just screw this on until it bottoms out. Come on. Yep. And after it bottoms out, you can adjust it. But yeah, these are it. Godspeed Mono SS coilovers for the Foxbody. Go this way.